Welcome back to another video, guys. We're out here today with the new dirt bike. Now this is a Apollo DBZ Max. Picked it up for 1,100 bucks, and in today's video we're going to be putting this thing together because it came shipped in a crate. But as always, before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, stay tuned for more videos, and let's get into building this. Find out. Now, as we build this bike, you're going to see a lot of new features on this bike for 2021. This bike does have the 19-inch front wheel. It has a 16-inch rear. It's more adult-sized. As you can see, I'm about 5'5", and it comes up to my waist, so my feet do barely touch the ground. Now, it does have an adjustable shock. It has an enclosed air box, which a lot of these Chinese bikes just have a little dinky air filter. Same with the carburetor and same with all that other stuff. It does have ignition, on-off switch, all your standard features that a normal dirt bike has. We're going to be getting this thing on some new land here pretty soon and really testing it out. But right now I took it down the highway and it goes pretty fast. I think they rated around that 50-55 miles an hour. I have yet to go near that fast on here. So yeah, we've just been having fun with it. But like I said, we're going to be doing the build here in just a second in the next clip. So stick around and let's get to it. So far I'm really impressed. The quality, the just everything feels, nothing feels cheap yet, so that's a good thing. Now I have built a couple of these little Coleman, I think 110 cc's. I built a couple of those. Nothing like this. This seems a lot more in depth, and we're gonna keep taking it apart here. Pretty self-explanatory, just getting all the pieces out from underneath the frame, unbolting that frame, lifting it off, and now we're gonna get the bike off and kind of go from there. We got the front tire on here. Had to get a little creative. Used a floor jack here to jack up the front, and in turn was able to line everything up. Super simple, just slide the bolt through. We're gonna get everything tightened down now, but it's really starting to come together. Alrighty, that was not easy. I couldn't film it. I just didn't have enough hands. Had to have someone come help me, but we got the rear spring in and it lifted this bike quite a bit. Now, one tip of advice is on the shock in the back, make sure your little air port here is facing backwards. So now we're gonna get all the bolts tightened up. I didn't get everything latched up because I want to make sure everything fit before I did a final tightening, and then we'll get all the plastics on and really see what this thing looks like. But for now, pretty cool. Quarter of a turn is all it took. Little flat bladed screwdriver, right side of the bike. You'll see the idle adjustment screw. Like I said, quarter of a turn, idling way better now. Thanks for watching the video, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. As always, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you later.